Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am here in Indian grocery store in Urdaneta. So this is actually the place, as you can see behind me. So this is the store. I am going to share you the Google map location here. So here you can find plenty of stuff. Hi, good morning. So Daji is there? Sir ji, namaskar. Namaskar ji. So this is the store. What is that? Lal Kila. Maybe it's good.
Maganda.
So as you can see that they have so many hair items. They have desi ghee, Amul pure ghee, then Varka, then Leel pure ghee, Amul cow ghee everyday. They have Zira, Methi, Dhania, Punjabi Waddi. They have a lot of stuff here. Even Himalaya Cystone. This is good for the kidney. So people they are looking for this kind of tablet medicine. This is herbal medicine, very good. Then they have packs of fish, chana masala. They have pav, pani puri, amateur powder, sambar masala, digi, and they have shan masalas are here. Bombay biryanis, Sindhi biryani. They have it. They have Taj Mahal red tea. They have Mini Chang. They have lot of stuff over here, so you can get it. And on the other side they have this freshly baked biscuit cookies, white flour cookies, biscuit cookies. They have chana, white chana, black chana. They have Orat Sabtu. This one I don't know how to pronounce. Sabut. Okay. This is one of the dal. This is masoor dal. Masoor dal with skin, masar, and this one is masoor dal. This is the rice, bag chana dal. They have it. This is look like besan or maybe yes besan. Yes, this is chakki ka atta. I think this one is yes corn flour. So they have quite gram flour also, grade 1. So what we are going to take? Okay. Spices we are taking. Cardamom is there. Coriander powder, chili powder. This is turmeric powder. Gram flour and this. We change the rice here. Indian Gate basmati rice super.
This is 1,000, but 6 kilos.
6 kilos, and the other one.
The other one is 950.
Other one 950 Lal Kila. So what is the difference? That is how many kilo?
5 kilos only.
This is 5 kilos. So this is 1 kilo is more extra, right?
Yeah. You want this one?
Okay. You can try delicious syrup, rose flavor.
Yes.
Ruafza.
Parang juice yan natin. Masarap.
So what do you have here?
I mustard oil.
Amar masti, this spices, buttermilk.
Do you need saffron also?
What is this one? White chocolates. I see. So they have some canned foods also over here. Even they have 507, this one Indian basmati rice, Lal Kila. Hello. Your Baba is there, father? No, that is not there. The house, this is also actually the house of Lal Kila. May I see in the frozen items what do you have here? Paneer, green peas, chocolate, veg, hot dog, sweet mutton, milk.
Bawal ang plastic kahit sa pang.
This is also.
Bawal yung sa palengke namin.
Anna, ask them this sweet mutton. Sweet mutton is halal or no?
Halal pa yun. Yung mutton niya. Halal.
Do you have any idea about this one, the sweet mutton? And what do you mean by sweet mutton? Milk 120.
Ay, no, they don't have.
No. Only this green pea they have it. I found it here. Yeah. So they have it green pea. What they have it also? They have veg sausage. Veg sausage. Check it. Check this one. This is halal. What is this? 1 kilo. Keep frozen.
Ay, halal.
What is actually this?
Ano to?
What is this?
Chocolate siya. Parang ganito rin pero ano process ito kasi
But,
chocolate.
What is actually this chocolate?
pwede siya fry,
With
pwede siya
soy, protein, vegetable oil. Maybe just like pakora.
Pakora. But what is ingredient? Pakora of what? Besan ingredients.
Wet soy, protein, vegetable oil, onion. Oh,
Okay, maybe next time.
next time. And this one is?
This is
Ay,
veg
vegetable sausage.
vegetable sausage. Okay, that sounds good. And here you have also small packet also. This is for 1 kilo, right? For the rice. If you want to try as a, you want to try also like this.
What is that?
The basmati rice, the smaller version of this,
One you want?
protein po yan.
just as it is.
This one like, or the...
How much is for?
210.
210.
210. Yeah. So 210 per kilo. Better what something change?
You want to like that or this one lang?
Pwede mo try.
Khalas, okay, finish. Yala,
Minsan.
finish.
Naubos na.
Ito lang
This is a.
bilang ko ng rice na talaga.
Pang bayan.
Okay.
I'm just just bean.
1 kilo.
Ano bang tawag doon? Yung malagkit na rice doon. Oh, thank you.
Thank you po. Salamat. जी सर जी कितने गए अपने गोगू दाल साहब गोगू दाल है गो द अदर सॉरी मे बी मैं तो ना नहीं दे रहा है
ब्रदर मेरा
हाँ जी तो
गोगा डोल
हाँ गोगा दाल सॉरी कितने गए ना
वो कम थे
काम थे सही है मैं एक व्लॉग बनाया छोटा जिहा ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਤੇ ਇਨਸ਼ਾਅੱਲਾ ਫਿਰ YouTube ਪਾ ਦਾਂਗੇ ਬੰਦੇ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਇੱਥੇ
ठीक है जी
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਲੋਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਵੀ ਸ਼ੇਅਰ ਕਰ ਦੇਵਾਂਗਾ
ठीक है जी
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਨਾਮ ਕੀ ਹੈਗਾ मनजीत सिंह शुक्रिया जी बड़ी मेहरबानी इंशाल्लाह सो दिस इज़ अ प्लेस फॉर इंडियन ग्रोसरी स्टोर in Urdaneta, Philippines, province in Pangasinan. So here I will going to share you the location. You can buy Indian grocery stuff from over here. So wish you all the best. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.